how to sell and withdraw on crypto.com. So I will show you both the process on how you can sell a certain crypto and how you can withdraw that crypto to your bank account. So first you open the crypto.com app. Now in order to first of all withdraw it, first I want you to make sure that you have already set up your Fiat wallet, right? Once you've done that, we'll begin with the process to sell it. So go to your accounts tab and simply select crypto wallet and select the crypto that you would like to sell. So let's say I sell Bitcoin right here. I'll select that and I'll just see the sell button right there. Just hit the sell button. Now over here, enter the amount you wish to sell and just hit the sell button again from the bottom. You'll see the confirmation. So once the confirmation is done, you would have sold your Bitcoin, right? Now after you've done that, on the next page, however, now you are to go ahead and then withdraw it. So go to your Fiat wallet and select the transfer option there. From there, you can simply select the option called withdraw, and once you select the withdraw option, here you'll see it says withdraw to your bank account. So obviously you can now go ahead and then select and withdraw to your bank account. Then once done, you will be able to go ahead and then withdraw the funds to your bank account. This way you'll be able to sell and withdraw on crypto.com. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.